Hey, are you tired of going to AWS pricing calculator, creating estimates like if I have T2 medium or R6 X large EC2 instance in on demand, what will the price if I go to RI or compute saving or spot instance for 1 year, for 3 year, all upfront, partial upfront, no upfront? Man, it's such a mess, right? Then go there, copy it, paste in Excel. Such a hectic task, right? Wait, I have a solution for it. Let me show you. Introducing our smart one-click purchase plan comparison feature of Costtrail.io. Come with me, let me show you. So just log in a dashboard, go to savings and click. Now we are having several opportunities. Okay, this is our cost optimization hub, but apart from this, let's say we are having some elastic cache instances. All right, like you can see T2 micro, medium, R7G large and all. So let me select R7G large. You can see the current cost is $3836, like 3K dollar for on if we are in on demand. But here's the catch: if we are converting it into reserve instance, we are saving up to 67%, right? And the cost, the optimized cost would be $1243. It's just amazing, right? What did you do? Simply logged in into our dashboard, clicked on savings and elastic cache, and you got this, right? Now let me show you some more cool stuff. Scroll below. Here you can see for on demand the rate was 0.219, and you can see the rates and the price. What will the total cost for no upfront, all upfront, partial upfront at a single screen, guys? At a single screen. No need of going to AWS pricing calculator, like clicking on three different times and getting three different costs, copying it, pasting in spreadsheets and all. Don't do that stuff. Come to Costtrail, log in and get this in one click. You can simply say, and you, if you, let's see, many companies have 2 to 4 instances or 10 instances, you can get for all those instances what will be the cost. Like for one instance it's 108, but we are having 2 instances of our 7G large, like, right? So you can see for that 2 instances the cost would be this much, the monthly cost, the yearly cost, and you are saving up to 31%, 36 and 35% if you are going into 1 year. Similarly, you can go to 3 years and save much more, like 75% savings, right? So this is our powerful smart one-click purchase plan comparison feature. Similarly, you can check if you're having for RDS instances, for your EC2 instances. You can compare in different plans like compute savings for SageMaker, RDS for reserve instances, and all. So I hope that this will save you guys a lot of time, plus most importantly your money, right? So sign up for free on Costtrail today and start optimizing your instances. See you. Bye bye.